If you're pregnant, you're breastfeeding, you've got infants on formula or toddlers, stick with me because this is a really imperative message for you and the health of your family. And it revolves around water. And before we get glazy-eyed and paralyzed like we all have been for months, years in relationship to all the issues associated with water, I want to tell you that we've tapped into a solution that could really take a tremendous amount of stress off of your family and create freedom, because we're all seeing exactly the same reports. Recent report that just came out, any exposure to fluoride whatsoever is reducing our children's IQs by up to 7 points. And most of us have been turned off tap water for a long time because of heavy metals and all sorts of other concerns. A lot of us decided, hey, why don't we get into RO waters? And listen, you're dealing with a solution that is anywhere between $700 and $7,500, really expensive, plastic-based with regard to filtration systems. And although RO systems are great at taking all of the nasty things out of our water, they're also great at taking out all of the things that we need in order for us to have a healthy family and healthy children. And then some of us made the decision, like a lot of us made the decision, that we were going to start drinking out of plastic bottles. Now think about this for 1 second. $36 billion being spent on plastic water bottles in the United States during this year. And inside that, new reports that we've all been watching forever about the environment and all of the breakdown of these PET plastics and other plastic elements that create microplastics. For the very first time, we've got microplastics in human blood, in placenta, and in breast milk, and that microplastic is choking off vital oxygen transfer into your blood cells. So outside of that, destroying the environment, destroying natural water reserves, and bringing PET microplastics into your system, I guess a good solution. But before we continue on in paralysis, what we want to do is just share a little bit. I had a journey open up about 9 months ago where I walked into a health practitioner's office, and during wait for a live blood analysis, she said to me, hey, let me make you some water. And I was like, you're gonna make me some water? Like, thanks a million for making me water. Nobody ever said they were making water before. She said, no, seriously. I've been working on this for almost a decade, and I've perfected a way using like really old technology, dates back to like the 3rd century, but with updates technologically to be able to create water that I'm completely in control of. And I've got people coming from all over the place just to have my water. So I thought, wow, I got to dig into this, because if there was a solution that would allow us to be able to safety the health of our children, our families, deliver the right balance of minerals and nutrition in the water that we're intaking the way water was designed originally, and reduce our monthly costs, then that would be an incredible solution. Listen, come on the journey with me. We call it I Drink Living Water. Just click the link below and join us for more information.